8 Sure signs your girlfriend is cheating on you. 1. She is not letting you touch her phone or laptop anymore. Initially, she used to ask you to check her texts, and was not too much secretive around her phone. Now, she gets uncomfortable every time you touch her phone, or does not text anyone in front of you. It is a clear indication that she does not want you to know that she is chatting with the guy you should worry about. 2. She is overly concerned with her looks than usual. If there is a sudden change in her dressing style or wardrobe, and she's suddenly spending more time in a gym to get in shape, then there may be another guy she wants to impress. 3. She is not interested or too busy to hang out with you. Tuesday used to be the day you both watch your favorite TV shows together, but now she is losing interest in that show and in you. Or if she is ignoring the daily schedule and giving lame excuses, like she is caught up at work, then she may be spending her time with another guy. 4. Suddenly she is asking you about your schedule. There can be 2 reasons for this: either she cares a lot about you, or on the other hand, she is making sure she doesn't get caught cheating on you. 5. She is losing interest in sex. Most couples have a good routine of sex, but if she is too tired or avoiding it nowadays, she might be getting it somewhere else. 6. She is not replying your texts or calls, and gets disappeared without notifying you. If she is disappeared for like 6-7 hours for the 4th time in a week, and said she overslept or blamed on something else, then you do have a reason to worry about. 7. She is overreacting. If she is finding your usual behavior annoying, and gets paranoid on your actions, then she may want to end the relationship. 8. She is not interested in meeting with your family and friends anymore. She used to meet your family and hang out with your friends, but now she tries to avoid it. The reason may be she is guilty that she is disloyal to you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.